Dear students, it's my pleasure to congratulate you on the completion of your pre-university education. This must be an exciting time for you to start the new explorations of higher education, and I wish you the best in the journey. Why should you explore SCSE NTU? SCSE NTU is a world-renowned computer science and engineering school for the higher learning that is known for the excellent curriculum, outstanding research, and the top talented faculty. Over the past 33 years, SCSE has developed into a world-leading computer science and engineering school, which is consistently ranked among the top in the world. NTU is also recognized as the top university for AI research and citation impact. We are proud to host 4 of the AI 10 to watch, who are among the many talented professors in the school. Our flagship Data Science and Artificial Intelligence DSAI BSc degree was recently named by Forbes in the 10 Best AI and Data Science undergraduate course for 2021. This is the only program in Asia which is listed in top 10. SCSE had launched the DSAI just 2 years ago as one of the first undergraduate degrees in AI in the world. At SCSE, you are learning from the people who are not only from the cutting edge of AI, but also many other fields, such as blockchain, brain-computer interface, cloud computing, cybersecurity, data analytics, embedded computing, edge computing, and Internet of Things. It is not just a learning journey. You are co-creating the future. SCSE has established numerous world-class joint research programs, institutes, and corporate labs in partnership with leading universities and companies such as Intel, HP, Alibaba, and Salesforce. This has created opportunities for exchange programs as well as the EDB industrial postgraduate programs, attracting more Singaporean students into our PhD programs. Many of our alumni are renowned engineers, scientists, technology business experts, and entrepreneurs. The current high industry demand for AI, data science, and cybersecurity talents provide excellent career opportunities and high salary for our graduates. Based on MOE's Graduate Employment Survey, SCSE's graduates have consistently been in the top salary range among NTU graduates. As undergraduates at SCSE, you can look forward to a nurturing environment with excellent learning opportunities. I'm certain that many of you will become the future leaders of innovative solutions for the grand challenges facing our world. It is my great pleasure to invite you to follow us on our social media and visit our web page to gather more information about our programs, student life, and growth prospects at SCSE NTU. On behalf of all of us at SCSE, I send you our best wishes for an enriching and enjoyable undergraduate experience.